It is no secret that the world is facing a plastic crisis. Plastic pollution has become a global concern as our planet is drowning in plastic litter and microplastics.
Polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET, is one of the most common plastics in the world. PET is used to make soda bottles, space blankets, blister packs, food containers, shirts, and dresses. Its extreme durability, however, has rendered it a long-term environmental burden. Amidst this global issue on plastic waste, in March 11, 2016, researchers led by Kohei Oda from Kyoto University in Japan discovered a strain in bacteria that might help solve the problem. They call it Ideonella Sakaiensis 201F6.
What is Ideonella Sakaiensis? Ideonella Sakaiensis is a bacterium from the genus Ideonella and family Commonodiaceae of the class Beta-Proteobacteria that feeds on polyethylene terephthalate. And how does it work? Polyethylene terephthalate is made up of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid, which comes together through the process of polymerization to eventually form PET, which is made up of linked chains of monohydroxyethyl terephthalate. Ideonella Sakaiensis works by secreting enzymes known as PETase and MHETase. PETase splits certain chemical bonds in PET into smaller form. Monohydroxyethyl terephthalate and MHETase breaks down MHET, leaving smaller molecules, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid, that the bacteria can absorb, using the carbon in them as food source through hydrolyzation process. Alternatively, the resulting monomers can be used for a new round of PET synthesis.
Under optimal conditions, enzymes can work faster and more efficiently. When given bad conditions, however, the enzymes can slow, and extreme conditions can lead to deneutralization, when enzymes can no longer function. However, researchers have been looking further and investigating optimal conditions of PETase to find its perfect temperature and pH in substrate amount. This way, PETase can be working as fast as possible to break down plastic.
With breakthrough enzymes, PETase and MHETase, recycling can truly happen. It may take a while, but the continuing research of the best mode of plastic degradability can dramatically decrease microplastic problem, and through the use of bacteria like Ideonella Sakaiensis and recycling the PETs, together we can form a sustainable world. This is Gian Ramirez. Join me in discovering science and saving the world.